What is going on, guys? This is my first video. This is how to make money using AI online. This is a series I'm doing. This is the first video of this series where I'm going to be exploring different ways to make money using AI online with the least amount of effort for the most amount of money. All right, perfect. Let's get into it. First product we have. This is an AI drop shipper. It's called eComSniper. Sounds pretty cool. Sniper. You know, right? That was so fucking corny. I'm actually deleting this channel. This is the last video you'll ever see, I swear. But I need money, fuck. Alright. So what is eComSniper? It's a drop shipper AI that creates listings for you. So say if you want to sell on eBay, you create a seller account, and then you have like a seller account, you need to create listings on it. So you basically have to press create listing, and then you gotta like say like what it is. Like say if it's like that's not appropriate. What if it's like a fucking toy car, right? You gotta look up toy car, color is it, blah blah blah. Put all that information in, and then boom, you get one listing after like 10 minutes of work. Which is fucking bullshit, bro. It's bullshit. Because the only way you make money doing this is by having like 10,000 listings over like 10 different accounts where you're making like 100,000 a month. That's literally how you do it. So how do you get from like 10 minutes for one listing to making like 200 listings a day easily? That's where eComSniper comes in. Boom. eComSniper uses an AI to generate the listings for you. Basically, you find a list of products, or you find one product and you say search similar, and you get like a niche, and then you put into the AI, it goes to Amazon, finds those products for like the best price, it chooses that specific link, that seller, and then creates a listing on your eBay page, basically the exact same thing, photocopy, kind of. You can tweak it with the image template, but you do that and you mark it up like 70%, and you do that for 10,000 listings. That's what eComSniper does. Oh, that sounds pretty cool. How much is it? It's fucking $600. I'm not even gonna lie. I literally my friend coughed up $600 to open this account to use his AI. 600. Okay, it's gotta be profitable if you spent 600 on it. Well, like, yeah. So in like 2 weeks of using it, in the first month, I'm only at almost 2,000 listings in my first 2 weeks, and I'm up $900 total sales. Which might not seem like it's a lot, but like it's like you're break even plus some. So I mean, and you still have those listings and they're there forever. Like every single listing is like a digital asset that never leaves. So I could be like 60 years old, still freaking making money, still making orders on this. So overall, that's fucking WAI scheme, but there's a con. There's always a con. Once the AI creates these orders for you and you get people buying the products on your site that the AI created, the listings, you have to actually go to the Amazon link that's saved like in the AI. Go to the Amazon link, that part's easy. Buy the product and you gotta fill in the information individually. Say you get 10 orders, each order you're profiting like $30, $40 each order. You gotta actually go to Amazon, buy the order, fill in the person who bought its information, like their name, address, and shit like that. And then you gotta like do that part manually, which fucking takes 10 minutes. I mean, it's not fully passive income, but like for an AI that does 99% of the work, I don't even think that's that bad. I don't think it's that bad. Am I sponsored by these guys? No, I'm just excited. I'm on fucking excited, bro. I'm trying to make some money, make my first video. Let's fucking get it. First video is eComSniper. Boom, done. All right, let's get it. Second video, prop firms. We are going balls deep into prop firms. Are they a scam? Are they a legit money-making method? I don't know. Will I find out? Yes. Will I record it? Maybe. Will I lose money? Hopefully not. Third video, gambling. We're fucking all in on red, bro. All in. Just kidding, bro. We're not gonna do fucking gambling. We're not degenerates. This is a legitimate business channel. If you guys want to actually find the best AI internet money-making method, follow, subscribe, like button, do all of it. Let's fucking make some AI money, bro. Let's get it. Peace out, guys. fuck?